Good morning, everyone. Today we'll discuss about the different types of arguments or the function arguments as well as different types of functions. So, first we'll discuss the function arguments. The calling function sends some values to the called function. Generally, we have written some programs where the main function is the calling function that sends some values to the called function for communication. So the called function uses some arguments or parameters. These values are called as the arguments or parameters. Maybe in previous lecture we have written one program that shows to find whether a number is even or odd. Now we can see the same program here. So here the main function is the calling function, and this function find function, this is the called function. That means find function is called. So while using this calling function and called function, we need to have some value that should be passed from this function to this function. These values are called as arguments. Now there are two different types of arguments. One is actual argument, another one is formal argument. So actual argument and formal argument, this is also called as the dummy argument. This is also called as the dummy argument. Now you can see here the arguments which are mentioned in the function call are known as actual arguments. Here this is the function call statement. So the argument used in the function call is the actual argument, and the what is formal argument which are mentioned in the function definition are called as the formal argument. So this is the argument mentioned in function definition part. This is the function definition part. Here this is the argument that is used in the function definition part, that is called as the formal argument or the dummy argument. This is formal, this is actual. This is the actual value that will be sent to the definition part, and this formal argument is used to only accept the values. So this is actual value, this is the formal value or the dummy argument value. Okay, now we'll discuss what are the different types of functions available. So the types of function. The function can be classified into four categories on the basis of the arguments and the return values. So there is four types of functions. One is functions with no arguments and no return value. Second one is function with no argument and a return value. Third one is function with argument and no return value. And the fourth one is function with argument and a return value. So these are the four different types of function. So in first case, function with no argument and no return value. When a function So first we'll discuss the first one, no argument and no return value. So in this case, when a function has no arguments and it does not receive any data from the calling function, this is function with no argument and no return value. Similarly, when it does not return any value, the calling function does not receive any data from the called function. So I am writing one of the simple syntax where you can understand. So this is the main function part. Under that I am writing the function call. Suppose the function name is function A. Before that there may be some statements, and there is no return type, so I am writing void, then function A, this is the function name, and there is no arguments also. Here also in function call we have not passed any argument. Here we have to define void and there is no return type. You can have the different tasks or statements. Before that you have to declare the function. So here there is no return type and the function name is function A, and there is no argument, so that will be void and there will be semicolon. So this is the function declaration statement, this is function call, and this is the definition part. So here in the declaration part there is no argument, so we have written void and there is no return type. Here also while calling the function we have not passed any argument, so there is no argument. And in the definition part also there is no return statement or return type, so we have written as void, so there will be no return values that will be sent to the calling function. The calling function is main. Okay, this is the simple example of function with no argument and no return value. Okay, then second one is function with no argument and a return value. With no argument and a return value. So in this case the function do not receive any argument, but they can return a value to the calling function. Again I am repeating, this type of functions do not receive any arguments from the calling function, but they can return a value to the calling function. And the simple syntax is, so first I am writing the declaration statement, so there will be return type, then function name. Suppose the function name is function A and there will be no arguments. In the main function, here the main function is the calling function, I am calling the function, here the function name is function A without any arguments. I am not passing any argument here. In the definition part there will be a return type, then the function name, that is function A, and there is no argument. And under this we can have number of statements, and because we have written the return type, here there will be return value, so you have to write the return statement, return with some expression. So this is the syntax for function with no argument and a return value. Here there is no argument and a return type or return value. and we have to mention the return statement in the function definition part. So this return statement or expression, that value will be sent to the calling function. So when the function A will be called, this the control will pass to the definition part, the statement will be executed, and because there is a return type, so we have to mention the return expression, and this expression value will be returned back to the calling function. So here this is the called function, function A is the called function, and main function is the calling function. Okay, so this is the example, or this is the syntax for function with no argument and a return value. So we can write one example for this type of function.